You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -1/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1/4 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -1/3.